Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more recipes. Today we're making a classic American banana split. The ultimate ice cream sundae that's perfect for summer, parties, or just treating yourself. It's super easy to make. And I'll show you the traditional way plus some fun twists. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the classic banana split, you'll need 1 ripe banana, peeled and split in half, 3 scoops of ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, the classic trio, chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, pineapple topping or crushed pineapple, whipped cream, chopped nuts like peanuts or walnuts, maraschino cherries because it's not a banana split without them, sprinkles optional. Step 1. Prep the banana. First, take your banana, peel it, and slice it in half lengthwise. Place the 2 halves in a long dish, traditionally, a boat-shaped banana split dish, but any bowl or plate works. Step 2. Add the ice cream. Now the fun part, scoop 3 flavors of ice cream between the banana halves. The classic combo is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, but feel free to mix it up. Step 3. Top it off. Time for toppings. Here's the traditional way. Chocolate syrup over the vanilla ice cream, strawberry syrup over the strawberry ice cream, pineapple topping over the chocolate ice cream, then load it up with whipped cream, nuts, and cherries. Don't be shy. This is a decadent dessert. Fun variations. Want to mix it up? Try these twists. S'more split. Use marshmallow fluff, graham crackers, and chocolate ice cream. Tropical split. Swap in coconut ice cream, mango sauce, and toasted coconut flakes. Final result and Dodioro. And there you have it, the perfect American banana split. It's creamy, fruity, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for sharing. Or not. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite ice cream combo? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.